So first, I'm gonna do a little review on the packaging. So this hair is from Omgqueen. This is what the package look like. You guys can see it. Okay, so the good thing is I ordered this on Tuesday and I got it on Friday, which is pretty fast. But it comes, I picked for it to come with a wig cap, so I didn't have to buy some from the store. So I got a nude wig cap, and then it comes with an after sale service card and how to become a VIP. And this is the packaging of how it came. So what I got is, this is product number BMW 23, hair color natural, hair length 12 inch, 180% density. So I got me a bob this time. How can I open it? Come in the little black package. Here in it. Oh, and it's a side part. Just to let you guys know. So this is what it comes like. It's already it looks like it's pre-plucked, and the knots are bleached, which is a good thing because I don't feel like doing all that tonight. But this is what it looks like, if you guys can see. I'm using my iPhone, so it's not like I could focus on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's gonna look cute on me. But yeah, let's get started into the process of putting my wig on and turning it into a whole different person. Because I've been wearing my natural hair for a week and I just can't do it because I'm a lazy person, and dealing with natural hair, it's not for me. It's too much work. At least with the wig, I could just slap it on and not have to do that much to it, which is why I wear wigs all the time. Even though people was like, oh, you should wear your natural hair, embrace your natural beauty. I do embrace it when it's necessary, but it's just not for me to be wearing right now because it's very time consuming and I got a lot of stuff to do.
Okay, so I'm going to do it now because I don't know my gel base. But first we're going to apply the wig cap. And make sure it goes all the way. Okay, my eyes can be closed for a second, so mind that. But I am weird because I don't know how much you guys. I have spray somewhere. That's the glue spray. Yeah, I'm going to use this spray now, but hold on. So sharp if I do this. She like puts the moho or rose bond right here on the edges before. She to hold the stuff down, so I'm gonna try that today. Use 64. If not, whatever. I'm gonna just put it on the sides. Oh, but first I gotta put it. See how the way. Wait, are you not supposed to? She be using her fingers. Now she's my fingers. But she be putting it on like this. So it'll stick. So she be doing her wigs. Good, so let me try it today. Usually, I would just spray it. And if it sticks, it sticks. If it don't, it don't. Oh, I got my nails done. Oh, I can't see it. But I got my nails done. I have to $80 for it. But it's worth it. So I'm about to, hold on. I'm about to spray it with this rose. Got to use this spray. So let's spray. I need to buy a new one because this is running out. And I've had this for over a year.
I don't know what just happened, but my whole phone just shut off, so I don't know what I was talking about, but we're gonna get to this drawing. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it dried already. Now it's time to put makeup on it. I've been using this. I had this forever because I don't have no other makeup. But I use this one right here because I mean it's the closest. But I mean it's not that close, but it'll do. Then it's probably the wrong thing to use. Took this out my mom's room. Is it working? Yeah, this is gonna have to do, even though it don't match. really breaking out. People jinx me. But anyways, I feel like I'm getting so much better at making wigs compared to my very first one, which is good. Because I feel like hair is basically my passion right now. Like, that's all I be watching on YouTube is either hair videos or like people vlogging and everything. But a lot of hair videos, so like I could get better and then start making wigs for other people, and then they could tell their people to come hit me up, and then next thing you know, I'm making wigs for everyone. I must be stressed. That's probably why my hair. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. I wish I could be like in those YouTube videos, like what's his name, like Slay by Jordan, and what's another girl I watch that does wigs? I watch So Char, and I watch a lot of people, but there's like when they put their wig cap on their clients, it be looking like the wig cap's not even on there. I'm trying to figure out how. I don't know if it's because of the quality or what, but I need to get on that level. Because you can tell where the... Okay, got this side fixed. See, the thing is, I'm gonna have to fix this side because the wig cap is showing. So I'll be back. Deep side part, but I don't like how the deep side part is like in the middle, and I'm struggling to like position it, but I'm about to make it work for now because I'm kind of tired. So I'm gonna fold this back. So I need a new one, and this looks kind of dirty, but see, my camera doesn't focus. But this is the Bow Hold Extreme Cream. So I basically have it glued on, even though it's kind of jacked up. But now it's time to cut, and I use scissors to cut down the middle, and then I use a eyebrow razor. Hold on. And I gotta fix this part because like that part is showing the wig cap, so I might have to cut that off. I'll go ahead and jack this up because I'll be so mad. Oh, by the way, I paid $114 for this wig. In case I didn't say that in the beginning. And it's hard to try to record this and look at the mirror at the same time. So I hope you guys get a gist of what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I can't do this on camera. Wait, no. I can't put the mirror here. Try to see if I can put the mirror in my hand while also. But basically, you're gonna cut across like this with each part, and it's gonna be hard for me to do this on camera. So if I can't do this within the next second, I'm gonna just come back to you guys and show you the finished result. Yeah, I can't do this, so I'll be back. I'm sorry. Guys, so here is the finished look. I don't know if I like it. Like the deep side part, it starts like towards the middle. I wish it could have started here, but I was trying to position it and it was not working out, so I had to put it basically in the middle. But I mean, this is what it looks like. I tried to do baby hairs, but I don't even think I need baby hairs for this. Maybe if I tuck it behind my ear, it'll look better. I don't know. I don't think I like it. But maybe just because it's the first day and I'm kind of tired. But the way this wig is set up, it has a defined part, and that's the only part you can really part it in. Unless I do it in a middle part right here, and that's about it. Other than that, I can't really do that much to it because it has its own parting space. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a few more days to see how I like it. I wish my real hair was this long straight. It's like, but yeah, I don't think, did I make an intro? Yeah, I did make an intro. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love to my video. Show some love to my past video with the pretty little thing. I know that got a lot of good views, but yeah, tell your friends about my channel. Tell their friends, to tell their friends, to tell their moms, to tell their brothers, to tell their sisters, to tell their sisters, aunties, grandmothers, mothers. You feel me? And yeah, there's gonna be more videos to come. Stay tuned because I think I'm gonna get my nose pierced. I don't know yet, and I might be making a video on that, but that depends on how scared I am, because I am scared of needles, in case you didn't know. But yeah, thank you for watching my video. Follow my Instagram at Fantasia1215, which is my most active social media that I go on, and my Snapchat Fantasia1215. And peace.